Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change language in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icons. You have to click on the firstly setting icon. Then you have to see here many more options. You have to scroll down and then click on the the language and regions option, so click on that. Now you have to see here many more options. Click on the firstly language option. Now you have to choose any language from here which you want to change in your mobile phone. So I have to choose Hindi language, so click on that. Now click on the done option and change to Hindi. You have to see result in this way. Language is changed in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.